Get your first detailed look at the official photos of the Air Jordan 11 Gamma 2025, set to release on December 13, 2025 with a retail price of $235. This iconic holiday release returns with the classic Gamma Blue, Black, and Varsity Maize color scheme that originally made the pair a fan favorite. The 2025 version showcases the signature patent leather mudguard, premium mesh upper, glossy finish, icy blue outsole, and the timeless Air Jordan 11 shape that sneakerheads love. The Air Jordan 11 Gamma 2025 is already generating massive hype and is expected to be one of the most in-demand sneaker drops of the year. Even better, this release will also be available in grade school, Gs, sizes, giving younger fans and collectors a chance to secure their pair. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Jordan release dates, sneaker news, early looks, and official photos of the latest Air Jordan models. Stay locked in for more updates.